Hello, welcome to the CheckEze tutorial. This is our first tutorial, and so first we'll go to the CheckEze screen. So here's the CheckEze home screen. As you can see, it's got a little video that's continuously playing. It's got some instructions. At the top is a banner that can be any size across the top. We can have multiple languages buttons. These are optional. You can turn those off if you're not using them. And the patron can also adjust the volume by touching this little speaker. So let's see. The first screen we want to look at is the configuration. Now, if you touch the lower right hand corner of the screen, there's nothing here to indicate that that's a touch zone, but it is. Just click there, and a password prompt comes up. The default password is the number 1. Okay, that brings you to the utilities. The first button in the utilities is the options, where you set all the settings for your CheckEze program. So we'll go there first. And there are multiple tabs for different sections of the program. The first tab is the SIP2 tab. Here's where we enter the server address of our SIP2, the port, the login and password if it's required. Some require that and some don't. An institution ID is used generally to distinguish one self-check among many for reporting purposes. And the network timeout is how many seconds that it will allow before it needs to get a response from the ILS system. Now, you don't need a keyboard to enter anything, but if you do have a keyboard hooked up, you can just type in what you want from the keyboard, and I'll type in a little something here. But if you don't have a keyboard, you can also click on this on-screen keyboard and type in something using the on-screen keyboard, the touch screen. Alrighty, so that concludes our first lesson.